I led an AI day trade with $1,000 for a week. Here's the setup. No signals, no guru, just code, data, and risk. I trained it on years of tick data and strict risk rules. Day 1, tiny wins. Day 2, whipsaw, emotions off, bot on. Midweek, volatility spikes. Bot slows, manages drawdown, adapts positions. Final day, one decisive trade. Risk capped. Exit clean. So, did AI beat the market? Here are the numbers. Not financial advice. This is an educational experiment.
This isn't theory. I'm showing every step from first line of code to an unfiltered profit and loss. Is this the future or a $1,000 vanishing act? We start with a hypothesis, then code the bare essentials. No secret sauce, just logic, tests, and transparency. You'll see every commit and comment. Next, the data pipeline, real-time inputs, risk guardrails, latency trade-offs. If it's noisy, we filter. If it's slow, we optimize. No hand-waving, then backtest. Multi-asset, walk forward, out of sample checks. No cherry-picking, we stress drawdowns, slippage, costs, hard stops, and circuit breakers, where paper profits vanish when reality hits. Now, live. A modest $1,000 stake, automated entries, exits, and stop losses. You'll watch every tick, every decision in real time. No edits, no excuses. Moment of truth, the unfiltered P&L. Win or lose, the numbers speak. We'll break down attribution, signals, costs, risk, and exactly where the system shined or broke. So, is this the future of trading or the fastest way to burn $1,000? You decide. Comment your verdict and what we should test next.
Think of my bot like a calm co-pilot. It watches the 15-minute chart, waiting for the 20 EMA to cross above the 50 EMA. A quick RSI check confirms momentum above 55, no chasing. If price breaks the session high with decent volume, it enters long. Shorts mirror when the 20 dips under the 50 and RSI slips below 45. Exits are tidy, a 2R take profit or a trailing stop using 1.5x ATR. Risk is boring by design. The bot risks 1% per trade and never widens its stops. Stops sit beyond the swing or 1.2x ATR. Targets aim for 2R to 3R. Guardrails kick in. 3 trades max. Daily loss cap at 2R. Pause after 2 losses. News filter blocks high impact events. Spreads and slippage are checked before entries. If drawdown hits 5R, the kill switch parks the bot until conditions improve.
It was 8 a.m. on a Saturday. VS Code glowing. One rule in my head. Keep it dead simple. No neural nets, no transformers. Just a clear hypothesis and a few lines of code. Price above SMA, long, price below, flat, protect downside, repeat. Backtest first, fail fast. Tune risk. Position sizing, stop losses, max drawdown boundaries. If it survives history, it earns a shot at real time. Wire to a lightweight broker API. Stream ticks. Execute only when rules align. No hero trades. Just data. Discipline beats genius when markets get loud. Simple scales. Lower cost, fewer bugs, faster iteration. Ship, observe, refine. Want the code pattern? Comment simple. I'll drop the repo and a checklist.
42.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?